Hi everyone, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Welcome back to another episode. Today I am in a garden that we call Kumeyaay, and it's part of this area of the garden that we refer to as Tuscany. Um, don't try to make sense of that, but my assignment for today is to get this whole area cleaned up. Now, you'll see we've got a lot of flowers here. We've got lavender, we've got calendula, we have this, what is it called, monkey's paw?
Kangaroo paw.
Kangaroo paw, and an aloe, and verbena, and a whole lot of weeds. And so I've already started a couple days ago. I began by just weeding around the perimeter here so that I could actually get in here. And today I'm just going to dive in, get all these weeds removed, pulled out, cleaned up, maybe throw some mulch down, and then we'll be ready to head into spring and start planting here. All right. So thanks for joining us. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start over this area here. I'm going to work my way over from west to east. Just arbitrary, better sunlight over here, and I'll be moving this way throughout the day. So I'll get started here. It's also much thicker here. So we'll get the, you know, get the low-hanging fruit, get all these weeds out, and then this part here we'll finish up with. All right, let's get started. Over here we have a salvia. I was wrong earlier when I said this was verbena. This is a salvia. This is pink profusion. Really beautiful. It looks like it's getting a little bit eaten, so we'll put down something to discourage the earwigs.
Okay? Sometimes it's the one that garden things in. The yellow lid has in the back in Ponderosa, and I'll sort through it. That way I can
think we're done. Gonna meet you back in 5 minutes and we'll do an outro. Hi folks, well, we're done with the project for today. Actually, it took 2 days. It took a lot longer than I expected because there were a lot of weeds, and I mean a lot of weeds. But that's actually a good sign. That means that this area of the garden is very healthy. The soil's healthy, plenty of moisture, and plenty of sunshine. So we always take it, good with the bad. Another thing that made this project really pleasant is we have all this French lavender over here. Oh, and it just has a really nice fragrance. We got it done, and it looks great. Hang in there. Spring is on the way. In the meantime, thanks for watching another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.